What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your Redmi 13 keeps overheating. So to fix this issue, first of all turn off all the unused features that are turned on. So to do this, swipe down, and from here if you're using Wi-Fi then you can turn off mobile data. You can turn off torch if you're not using, turn off Bluetooth, hotspot and all other features that you are not using. And after turning off these features, it will help you to fix the overheating issue. But after this, if you are still facing the overheating issue, then check for the software update of your phone. So to check that, open settings, tap on about phone and then tap on software version. Now here it will automatically check for the available updates. So if you have any update pending, then update your phone software to the latest version, and after that the overheating issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix if your Redmi 13 keeps overheating. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.